Okay, they give me 25.25%. No, 25%, sorry. 25% of n equals 37.5% of m. And I'm trying to find 12n over m. So let's set this up. 25%, you can write that as 25%, or you can write it as 0.25. But I'm going to write it as 25 over 100. So 25 over 100 times n equals, same thing for 37.5, 37.5 over 100 times m. And now let's multiply both sides by 100 to clear our fractions. So I'm doing this. And that's going to leave me 25n equals 37.5 m. Now let's get rid of that last decimal by multiplying both sides by 10. So that's 250n equals 375m. Now what goes into both sides? 250 and 375. That would be 25. So divide both sides by 25 and you get 10n equals 15 times. Divide by 5. So that's 2n equal 3m. And I'm trying to find this, 12n over m. So, let me see. What do I want to do next? I think I want to do this. Let's just go ahead and let's find the closest thing to 12n over m. So let's divide both sides by m. And you're left with 2n over m equals 3. But I'm not trying to find 2n over m. I'm trying to find 12n over m. So I need to multiply both sides by 6. Multiply both sides by 6. So 6 times 2 was 12. N over m equals 18. So 12n over m is 18.